so I did that because I wanted greater length in the pole. So anyways, I got my greater length. Now I'm actually ready to fold it. So I'm going to take one more really good heat right in the center here. I'm going to start bringing it around. To do that, I got to grab some photos. Okay, so I'm going to start bringing this around. Paying really good attention to here and there. So it's not quite high enough because of how thin the material is. So I need to take a little more heat right there in the back. I'm going to do this very, very, very slowly. And now that I'm at this spot, I'm actually going to start working right here on the section that goes into the pole. And I'm strictly going to work on pulling that area over. So now what I'm doing is I'm actually upsetting this back pole part, and you can see that the eye is rounding out really nicely. You can see the back part of the pole here is actually getting round. So you can see now that it has a really nice round shape to it. It's actually sunk down some, and the drift now should actually just be just a little bit too small, and it is, because when we weld it, we're actually going to lose some of that distance. And it's fitting perfectly because this is the top, this is the bottom. You can see it goes in further here than it does here. The other thing that's neat is you can see our scarf lines up very nicely. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to align everything a little better. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Cleaning. so there you can see that we actually have it open isn't the right word for it, but we are down to the root base. You can see right here is where our scarf is. So anyways, you can see that we're down to the base, right there, and it's fully open to that point. So what I'm going to do now is to actually take and make a steel, the steel insert to actually go in here to fill it up for the tool steel. Okay, so here we are for today. This is about as far as we're going. Ran out of time. So you can see now we actually have the steel for the cutting edge ready. And it is a big size piece. it is a big size piece because we're trying to keep the weight in this. We're trying to, again, come in right around maybe 5 or 6 pounds. So here is the steel, and if you look, I don't know if you can see it from where you are, but it fits. It'll fit all the way to the back once we get there. I don't care if there's a little bit sticking out on the front, because that'll just make it so we can blend it in a little bit easier. So we're going to fit this. This will be heated up. This will be heated up. This will be fitted into here. It'll be closed down around it. This will be made hotter at that point in preparation for the weld. We're a little bit off as far as this side's higher than that side, but we're good up here, and all that stuff can be cleaned up pretty easily. So there we have it for today. Flip that bad boy over. Make it look pretty in the picture.